and I will guide your joints to their natural position. There. There is a difference. Now squeeze your teeth together again until they fit. That's a huge discrepancy. Now this is now made to your joint position, and the shape of this compensates for the misalignment that you have between the way your teeth fit together versus the way your joints are aligned. Right now, your joints are in their aligned position, and you get to close and are able to fit all of your teeth together and squeeze. There is no movement because this appliance has now aligned and stabilized your joints to where they want to be. I'm slamming you together and your muscle tone is relaxed. That's really good. There is no reason for your muscles to activate. Now, side and back. Forward and back. Other side and back.